DHL just dropped off my package. Pretty excited. Ooh, look at that big boy. So guys, a big old box, Japanese writing, and up garage. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we have some new parts from Japan, of course. You know, where else would they be from? And a few of them are pretty rare, actually. So let's dive in. So first things first, this little guy right here. This is a Tommykaira oil cap. Pretty badass. Polished with black background, red turtle. Here's the bottom of it. I did buy this slightly used, so that's why you guys might be able to see a couple imperfections, but it was a lot cheaper than what these are brand new. So I picked that up. Also came with this little, oh, that runs away. This little key for it, which goes onto your keychain. This has, as you can see, it's all colored in there, different colors. And basically this just kind of goes like that. And you could, like, you know, twist it on and off. But this is supposed to keep on your keychain. This right here, I believe, as far as I know, this is the only one with this color combo. If you were to look when they were selling these online, most of the backgrounds here were like the same polished color, I believe, or, you know, they weren't black. They were the aluminum polished cover. This one has the black cover with the red turtle, and then this key being colored right here. This is one of one. I'm almost positive one of only this. So I'm really happy. Got this at an amazing price, more than half of what they are, you know, what they were brand new. So I'm very happy about this. We're gonna install this in a bit. But yeah, 101 Tommykaira oil cap. Now this other piece right here, this is a long towel, this Tommykaira towel. Now I bought this because I don't know how many they made, but they are discontinued and no longer made. So that's the reason why I picked this guy up. Again, this one was used. I mean, I don't know if anybody actually used it, but, you know, I bought it secondhand. And yeah, I just wanted it because, like I said, it's discontinued, it's not made anymore. Got it at a great price. And this piece, obviously I'm not gonna like use it for what you would use a towel for, but I figured, like at this last car show I was at, the Hot Import Nights, I just laid this across my dash and it fit perfectly. So that's probably what I'll do from now on. If I ever go to a car show, car meet, I'm just gonna stretch this along across the dash, and it just look cool. It's just a nice little extra thing to have. Next thing is right here, this Tommykaira jet tag for my keychain. Here's the JDM Parts Ninja, where I get all the parts from. Yep, Tommykaira jet tag. I think only, I don't know, maybe 150 of these or so are being made. They did a introductory price on these, so I got it really cheap. They have the options to come with titanium key rings. I didn't want to pay the extra money for it, so I just got the jet tag by itself. Again, good price, soon to be discontinued, so will be pretty rare. But it's just overall just really nice quality. It matches my my neck pads that I have in the car, and then of course it matches the black and red theme that I have with all these parts, as you can see. So yeah, just some cool things. I'll install that oil cap here in a second, but I got one last thing, and this thing is pretty awesome. Last but not least, got me some wheels, boys. All right, these are some, oh, that's upside down. These are 5 Zegan FN01 RC wheels, 18 They are 18 by 7.5 with a, I believe it's a plus 40 or 48 offset. Now I know, yes guys, the weeks are incredibly weak and really bad, but there's a reason why I got these. I bought 2 of them. I didn't bring the other one down, but I bought 2 of them. They were $73 with $193 shipping from Japan. So I got these ridiculously cheap because, if you guys know, or you may not know, these wheels are discontinued. I believe, what I read, the factory that made them went bankrupt back in like 2015, I believe it was. So from my quick research, you can't buy these new anywhere. Any of the sizes, whatever they had. I believe they even had 19-inch. Like I said, these are 18-inch wheels, but these are discontinued. They are not made anymore, and that's why they are awesome. There's similar ones, on eBay being sold for one wheel, for only one wheel, $200+. So I bought these as future drift spares because I kind of want to start sliding the G a bit more, like learning how to drift. So I bought these to go on the rears, and I know 18 by 7.5 will look goofy, but I figure since my car is an automatic, I don't have the luxury of, clutch kicking or whatever to keep the wheels spinning. So I need all the help I can get to keep the wheels spinning. I pretty much, since I'm an auto, I pretty much have to be like in full send all the time. So I figured a 7.5-inch wheel with a properly sized tire, maybe even aired up a bit, it'll be absolutely no problem to keep the wheels spinning. But guys, these are just the classic tuner wheels. I'm sure you recognize this design everywhere. Like tons of companies have even copied it. Just a very popular wheel. These are super lightweight. Awesome. And if I ever decide that I want to sell these, I could easily make my money back plus more. I could easily, make money. So that's why I picked these up. They were ridiculously cheap. Then I found out how discontinued and probably you could even consider rare at this point and even in the future. So I'm really excited about these. Even came with, nice valve cover cast. But yep, you can see the F&O RCs, 5 Zekin with a little, almost looks carbon fiber-ish center cap. And I bought 2 of them. So the other one I left upstairs. But yeah, super awesome. I'm so excited. And I can't wait. There is one issue with this one. I don't know what happened, but you can see just a super slight bend on the rear of the wheel. So I don't know how that would have happened, but that wouldn't even, that's not gonna cause any issues, let alone, it's not gonna stop it from holding air, and that's easily fixable. So, I mean, you can see something definitely happened, whoever owned this. Even, you can tell that lift's just a tad distorted. But anyways, I'm super happy with these. I cannot wait to get some, you can see right there. I can't wait to get some tires for these, put them on, test fit them, and start ripping. So that's easily fixable. I'm not even worried about it. That's why I fully knew that when I bought these wheels, and that could have been why they were so cheap, because also in Japan, they're super detailed, super picky with how they rate their wheels. And yeah, I'm just kind of blabbering on, but I'm absolutely in love with these wheels. I wish I could find better spec'd ones, because I would 100% rock these. If I could buy a full set, I would 100% rock these things. Always will be on the lookout for them. But yeah, so that's it for the parts, guys. I guess real quick, we'll go install this oil cap, because that's pretty easy. All right, guys, here's the engine bay. You definitely all recognize it. And here is the Nismo oil cap that came on the car when I bought it. Now, interesting story about this guy. I have tried, I think about a couple years ago, I tried looking for this one, because out of all the pictures and everything I've seen online, I have not seen anyone else with this type of oil cap. So I tried looking for them, and I couldn't find them anywhere. The only one site I could find just a picture of them was this old, I want to say it was an old site, but it was a Japanese like auction site. And the listing for them was long. I think it said discontinued or no longer in stock, but it showed a picture of this. So if anyone has an oil cap just like this, here, I'll get some close-ups. Let me know, because like I said, I can't find it and I'm interested, because hell, this could be a discontinued and rare piece as well. This might have been something you could buy from Nissan as an upgrade, because Nissan used to sell Nismo parts for our cars, for the Z and G, so I don't know. But, so I'm definitely gonna keep hold of this until I find that out. But let's unscrew this. It's probably gonna take the little rubber piece with it, because it's a very tight, yep, it's coming up with it. All right, put that to the side. Get this down more. My hands are covered in oil. Awesome. All right, now for the Tommykaira oil cap. See how this baby looks. Oof. Yep. I'm liking that. God damn, that looks good. Hell yes. All right. Well, hope you guys liked that video. Let me know what you guys think about the parts, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.